Hi, dear children. This is our lesson 11. जो देखकर भी नहीं देखते. Who do not really see even after seeing. That means who do not even notice what they seen. Who do not give care to what they are seeing or what they are watching. That is the meaning of जो देखकर भी नहीं देखते. Let me start our lesson. But before start the lesson, let me know about the writer Helen Keller because she is the author of in this chapter. Helen Keller was an American author, political activist and a lecturer. When she was 19 months old, she became sick and lost her eyesight and hearing. She was the first deaf and blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. Her notable works is The Story of My Life. Listen, जो देखकर भी नहीं देखते. Let me start our lesson. कभी कभी मैं अपने मित्रों की परीक्षा लेती हूँ यह परखने के लिए कि वह क्या देखते हैं. परीक्षा मीन्स टेस्ट एग्जाम. परखने मीन्स टू चेक. Sometimes I test my friends to check out what they really see. हाल ही में मेरी एक प्रिय मित्र जंगल की सैर करने के बाद वापस लौटी. जंगल की सैर a trip to a forest. वापस लौटी means return back. Recently, a dear friend of mine returned after going to a trip, taking a trip to the forest. I asked him. मैं उनसे पूछा. I asked him. आपने क्या क्या देखा? What did you see? कुछ घास तो नहीं. घास means special, nothing special. Okay? कुछ घास तो नहीं. उनका जवाब था. Nothing to see. That was his reply. मुझे बहुत अचरज नहीं हुआ क्योंकि मैं अब इस तरह के उत्तरों को आदी हो चुकी हूँ. अचरज मीन्स सरप्राइज. आई वॉज नॉट एट ऑल सरप्राइज्ड. मुझे बहुत अचरज नहीं हुआ मीन्स आई वॉज नॉट एट ऑल सरप्राइज्ड क्योंकि मैं अब इस तरह के उत्तरों को आदी हो चुकी हूँ. Adi means used to. So I was not at all surprised because I am used to such answers. क्योंकि मैं अब इस तरह के उत्तरों की आदी हो चुकी हूँ. I was not at all surprised because I am used to such answers. मेरा विश्वास है कि जिन लोगों की आंखें होती है वे बहुत कम देखती है. I believe that people who have eyes they see very little. So here writer is blind. So she cannot see anything. So she is expecting the people who can see to see more and what is happening in real. In real, the people who can actually see, they do not see. That means because she is telling, she asked one of her friends that who went to a trip to the forest, what did you see? She is asking to the friend. What the friend replied? The friend replied, nothing to see. To the special. So she was not surprised with that answer because she knew that the people who really see are not watching properly, are not giving notice to a very single things in the world. मुझे अचरज नहीं हुआ. I was not at all surprised. मुझे बहुत अचरज नहीं हुआ. I was not at all surprised because I am used to such answers. I believe that people who have eyes to see very little. क्या यह संभव है कि भला कोई जंगल में घंटा भर घूमे और फिर भी कोई विशेष चीज़ न देखे? Sambhav. Sambhav means is that possible. Gandabar means for an hour. Gume means roam around. विशेष means special. क्या यह संभव है कि भला कोई जंगल में घंटा भर घूमे और फिर भी कोई विशेष चीज़ न देखे? Is it possible that someone wanders roam around in the forest for an hour and still don't see anything special? मुझे जिसे कुछ भी दिखाई न देता सैकड़ों रोचक चीज़ें मिलती है. मुझे means me. जिसे कुछ भी दिखाई न देता, who cannot see anything. So the writer is telling is, it is possible that someone wanders in the forest an hour and still and don't see anything special, whereas me, who cannot see anything, can find hundreds and hundreds of interesting things which identify for just touching. सैकड़ों रोचक चीज़ें मिलती है. That means anything can find hundreds and hundreds of interesting things in the forest. सैकड़ों रोचक चीज़ें मिलती है जिन्हें मैं छूकर पहचान लेती हूँ. I can identify hundreds and hundreds of interesting things which identify for just touching. छूकर पहचान लेती हूँ मीन्स आइडेंटिफाई बाय टचिंग. मुझे जिसे कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं देता सैकड़ों रोचक चीज़ें मिलती है जिन्हें मैं छूकर पहचान लेती हूँ. Who cannot see anything, सैकड़ों रोचक. I can find hundreds and hundreds of interesting things. रोचक मीन्स इंटरेस्टिंग. जिन्हें मैं छूकर पहचान लेती हूँ which I identify by just touching. मैं भोजपत्र के पेड़ की चिकनी चाल और चीड़ की गुरदरी चाल को स्पर्श से पहचान लेती है. चिकनी means soft. भोजपत्र means bangor tree having very smooth bark tree, that is bangor tree. So she is telling, I can identify the smooth bar of a bangor tree. और चीड़ की गुरदरी चाल को स्पर्श से पहचान लेती हूँ. चीड़ की means pine tree. गुरदरी चाल means rough bark. Pine tree will have a rough bark. मैं भोजपत्र के पेड़ की चिकनी चाल और चीड़ की गुरदरी चाल को स्पर्श से पहचान लेती हूँ. So she can identify the smooth bark of a bangor tree and rough bark of a pine tree just by touching. Sparsh means touching. Just by touching, she can differentiate between pine tree bark and bangor tree bark. वसंत के दौरान में टहनियों में नई कलियां गूंजती है. वसंत मीन्स स्प्रिंग सीजन. So during spring season I search for new buds in the branches. टहनिया means branches. नई कलियां means new buds. वसंत के दौरान में टहनियों में नई कलियां गूंजती हो. Vasant means spring season. So during spring season, I search for new buds in the branches. मुझे फूलों की पंखुड़ियों की मखमली सतह छूने और उनकी घुमावदार बनावट महसूस करने में अपार आनंद मिलता है. फूलों की पंखुड़ियाँ means petals. फूलों means flowers. फूलों की पंखुड़ियाँ petals of flowers. मखमली means the velvety texture. घुमावदार बनावट the curved texture of the flower petals. So she's telling, I enjoyed touching the velvety surface of the flower petals and I love to feel their curved texture. घुमावदार बनावट means texture. सतह means surface. अपार आनंद immense happiness. I feel very happy after touching the velvety flower petals and feeling the curved texture. इस दौरान मुझे प्रकृति के जादू का कुछ एहसास होता है. During this time, I understand and I feel the magic of the nature. Prakriti means nature, Jadoo means magic, Ehsaas means I understand or I feel. कभी जब मैं खुशनसीब होती हूँ, खुशनसीब means lucky. Sometimes when I am lucky, तो टहनी पर हाथ रखते ही किसी चिड़िया के मधुर स्वर कानों में गूंजने लगते हैं. As soon as I place my hand on branches, the sweet voice of some birds start echoing my ears. तो टहनी पर हाथ रखते ही when I am lucky, as soon as I place my hand on the branch, किसी चिड़िया के मधुर स्वर कानों में गूंजने लगते हैं. स्वर means voice, कानों means ears, गूंजने means echoing. So she start echoing my ears. अपनी अंगुलियों के बीच झरने के पानी को बहते हुए महसूस कर मैं आनंदित हो उठती हूँ. Sometimes when I feeling of the water flowing between my fingers. अंगुलियाँ means fingers. पानी means water. महसूस means to feel. Sometimes when I feeling of the water flowing between my fingers, when I feel that, I feel very happy. आनंदित हो उठती हूँ means I filled with joy. मुझे चीड़ की फैली पत्तियाँ या घास का मैदान किसी भी महंगे कालीन से अधिक प्रिय है. फैली पत्तियाँ means spreaded leaves of pine trees. और घास का मैदान means the ground filled with grass. कालीन, कालीन means carpet. महंगे means expensive. So for me, spreaded leaves of pine tree or ground filled with grass much more dearer to me when compared to some expensive carpet. बदलते हुए मौसम का समा मेरे जीवन में एक नया रंग और खुशियाँ भर जाता है. The end of the changing season, a new color and happiness in my life. मौसम का समा, समा means the end. बदलते हुए means the changing. मौसम means season. मेरे जीवन में into my life. एक नया रंग means a new color और खुशियाँ भर जाता है. Listen. बदलते हुए मौसम का समा मेरे जीवन में एक नया रंग और खुशियाँ भर जाता है. The end of the changing season, first a new color and happiness into my life. कभी कभी मेरा दिल इन सब चीज़ों को देखने के लिए मचल उठता है. Sometimes my heart pumps up to see all those things with my eyes. मचल उठता है means I feel very restless because she wants to see the world with her eyes because she can only touch and feel them. Sometimes her heart feels like okay, I want to see these things. अगर मुझे इन चीज़ों को सिर्फ छूने भर से इतनी खुशी मिलती है तो उनकी सुंदरता देखकर तो मेरे मन मुग्ध हो जाएगा. लिसन, अगर मुझे इन चीज़ों को सिर्फ छूने भर से इतनी खुशी मिलती है. सो शी इज़ टेलिंग इफ़ आई गेटिंग सो मच प्लेजर और जॉय जस्ट बाय टचिंग दिस थिंग्स, तो उनकी सुंदरता देखकर तो मेरा मन मुग्ध ही हो जाएगा. देन आई सी दिस थिंग्स आई विल बी एन्चेंटेड और ब्लोन आउट टोटली सीइंग ऑल दिस ब्यूटी. So she is telling sometimes my heart pumps out and my heart feels restless to see all these things with my eyes. If I get so much pleasure by just touching these things, then I will be enchanted by seeing all this beauty with my eyes. परंतु जिन लोगों की आंखें हैं वे सचमुच बहुत कम देखते हैं. But however the people who have eyes, they see very little. Really they see very little. इस दुनिया के अलग अलग सुंदर रंग उनकी संवेदना को नहीं छूते. The different beautiful colors of this world do not touch their senses. Samvedana means they don't bother. They do not touch their senses in these beautiful colors of this world. मनुष्य अपनी क्षमताओं की कभी कदर नहीं करता. Humans or man never appreciate value of their abilities. क्षमताएं means their abilities. कदर means giving respect or appreciating. वो हमेशा उस चीज़ की आस लगाए रहता है जो उसके पास नहीं है. He always looks forward to runs towards something he doesn't have. आस लगाए रहना means wishing or looking forward. Looking forward something that he doesn't have, and he never respect or he never appreciate what he already has. So in this paragraph she's telling sometimes my heart pumps up to see all those things with my eyes. If I get so much pleasure or joy just by touching these things, they just imagine how much I enjoy after seeing all this beauty. But she's telling, however, these people who have real eyes, they see very little. These different beautiful colors of this world do not touch their senses. And humans never appreciate or value their abilities. They always look forward to run towards to something that he doesn't have. This is the meaning of this paragraph. And this is the last paragraph. Listen. एक कितने दुख की बात है कि दृष्टि के आशीर्वाद को लोग एक साधारण सी चीज़ समझते हैं. दुख की बात है मीन्स इट इज़ सो सैड. दृष्टि के आशीर्वाद को लोग एक साधारण सी चीज़ समझते हैं. It is so sad that people consider that blessing of sight such a simple things. आशीर्वाद means blessing. दृष्टि means sight. The blessing of sight. साधारण सी means simple. Cheese means things. It is so sad that people consider blessing of sight such a simple things. जबकि इस नियामत से ज़िंदगी को खुशियों के इंद्रधनुषी रंगों से हरा भरा किया जा सकता है. नियामत मीन्स विथ दिस ब्लेसिंग और विथ दिस गिफ्ट. खुशियों के इंद्रधनुषी रंगों से हरा भरा किया जा सकता है. However, with this gift or with this blessing, we can fill our life with joy by using these rainbow colors that nature is gifting to us. Indradhanush means rainbow. Indradhanushi means rainbow colors. So all these colorful with all these color around our eyes. If we see them properly, if we enjoy that, we can change our life into filled with joy and colorful. So that is about this chapter. So let's summarize the lesson one more time. Here the poet, that means the writer, Helen Keller, she's blind and she's telling the people who are having eyes, they don't really see. So she's telling, she's feeling something, and she's feeling sometimes my friend to check whether they see or not. Recently, one of her friend went to the forest for a trip. Then she came back. She asked him like, what did you see? But what was her reply? She replied that nothing special. So she was astonished. She was not surprised because she was used to such replies. Because always the people who can really see very little. Where else she noticing by touching, by her voices. So she is wondering, is it possible that a person is wandering in a forest in an hour, still she doesn't see anything special? Where else she consider herself? She's considering herself, she only can touch things. She finds hundreds and hundreds of interesting things daily just by touching. Then she is telling that she can even differentiate between smooth bark and rough bark just by touching it. By these people who cannot even see, they cannot realize the importance of a eyesight. Soft bark of banga tree and rough bark of pine tree, identify them just by touching during the spring season. She enjoys a lot. She searches for new buds in the branches. She enjoys the touching of velvety surface of the flower petals and their curved textiles. And all that time only really understand how the nature is magical. Sometimes she's lucky. When she places her hand on a branch, suddenly she can notice a bird sound. Bird sounds started echoing in her ears. Then she is also telling that water flowing between her finger in a stream is also very heart touching. And she would prefer pine trees spreaded leaves or ground with grass more than that an expensive carpet. Then sometimes she feels like seeing these things with her own eyes, but she can't because she imagines that she is getting so much pleasure or joy just by touching it. So, how it will be for her if she can really see all those things? But she is also complaining at the end that the people who can really see, they doesn't care about this blessing of sight. The humans never appreciate or value their abilities. They always run behind or look forward to the things they don't really have. But they never value the things they already have, like sight of blessing, the people who are blind, or the people who are deaf. They know the values of the basic senses. We are gifted by God. Okay, but we really don't understand that the proper value of blessing. So she says we take the blessing of eyes very seriously. We can enjoy our life, all these colors around us, and we can fill our life these rainbow colors that nature has gifted us. Okay, dear children, this is our wonderful lesson. Watch this video very carefully and after that read your textbook very well. Okay, thank you.